Now we're gonna install the drain. So you're gonna need your seal that goes under the tub between the drain tubing and the tub. Then you drain. I got this cool pop-up one. Your removal tool or installation tool, and a screwdriver. This guy already installed. It's just a couple bolts and a seal. You get a lot of pressure from the other side, so just get that out of the way. Let's do it. You're also going to need plumber's putty. This is what we're going to use to seal the drain to the tub. We're not using silicone. That stuff dries out, and over time it will start letting water through. This stuff never dries out. So first we're going to get the rubber seal under here. Okay, a nice good connection. Gonna get our putty. I want to roll it up good. Excess will remove, so no big deal. Let's screw it in. We'll replace our piping with PVC now. Cleaned it all out so it's nice and new. Get our tool. Grab the screwdriver to tighten it. Should do it. Brand new drain installed. Get a little stopper. And that's that.